In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. If you're coordinating a small task force, planning an event, or just need a focused space for quick decisions, a group chat is the simplest way to bring the right people together. In a few moments, you'll have a named conversation that's easy for everyone to find and follow. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct work account so your messages reach the right colleagues. Once Teams loads, look over to the left sidebar and choose Chat. This takes you to your recent conversations and the area where you'll initiate the new one. At the top of the chat pane, select New Message. Depending on your version, you might see a square with a pencil icon labeled New Chat. A fresh chat window appears with a To field at the top, ready for participants. Add people by typing their names. Teams will suggest matches from your organization directory as you type. Select the correct ones to include them. You can add multiple participants, and their profile icons will line up in the header as they're added. Take a moment to confirm you've included the stakeholders who need to be in the loop. Once you have at least 2 people, Teams treats this as a group conversation. Next, look for the group name option in the header. On desktop, you'll typically see a field that says Name Group Chat or an edit icon next to a placeholder name listing participants. Click there to activate the naming field. If you don't see the option yet, double check that you've added more than one person. Add a name that clearly describes the purpose of the chat. Short, specific titles work best, like Marketing Launch, Assets Review, or On-Call Handover. Consider including a date or project code to make searching easier later. Avoid generic labels so teammates instantly understand what this space is for. When you're happy with it, press Enter or click Away to confirm, and you'll see the title appear at the top. Everyone in the chat will see this name, and it will show across devices. You're now ready to send your first message. That initial post notifies all participants and anchors the conversation, which will appear in each person's recent chats with the clear name you chose. You can update the group name later if the focus shifts, and you can adjust the participant list as your work evolves, keeping the discussion organized from start to finish. That's all it takes to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Keep your collaborations clear, searchable, and on track with a well-named conversation.